Hey Cancer. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Alright y'all, so this isn't anybody new. I mean, it's not. So let's go. Look, Cancer, you guys are dealing with someone right now, or you have been dealing with someone. Okay, sorry y'all, I'm seeing it two different ways, so let's split it up. So what I'm picking up is that if you guys were dealing with someone in the past and you're not talking to them right now, you guys are definitely separated, the whole nine. I feel like you have a past life connection to them. You know that there's something there. You know, the energy, the connection is just really, really strong. But with unrequited love, it's just, y'all ain't connected. It's something that's missing there. I feel like you possibly could have been, putting in all of the effort, putting in the work, and they didn't meet you halfway, so it wasn't anything equal. It wasn't balanced, and it's like you had no choice but to walk away. This person could be keeping their distance from you, or they live at a distance, but I feel like they're not happy, that they're not talking to you, that they're not around you, they can't see you, so we're definitely going to have to look into that. Now, for others of you, if you are currently dealing with someone, I feel like it is a big chance something could go down this month and you guys are going to separate. The fact that I'm seeing, anytime I see retreat and separation, y'all, somebody's splitting up. Somebody's getting ready to take a break. Right now we're in the shadow period for Mercury retrograde, so y'all know exes come back. I don't know if you're in a relationship with this person, an ex comes back, y'all get into it, you find out somebody been talking. It's something's gonna take place because I see somebody separating. And it's just like, yeah, even if it doesn't have anything to do with a third party, it could just be maybe this has been on your mind to walk away from someone for a while, because you know that there's just something missing, something's not right, but you hold on because of the connection, because yes, you have dealt with this person in a past life, but it's just something's not right. So, woo, Cancer, let's just hop in. Let's just see what's going on, because as I said, it's two different scenarios, so let's just see how this plays out. Bottom of the deck, see, I have the Page of Cups reverse. I'm telling y'all, somebody that either you are currently dealing with or you dealt with in the past, they're very immature, very childish. This is why there's unrequited love, see? Somebody's no longer taking a leap. Tell me more. They're not taking a leap, but somebody wants to have a victory here, okay? Oh, Jesus. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, but this person is very sneaky. So that's why I told you, I feel like somebody's getting cut off. Somebody is getting ready to, if you're still in a situation with someone, I'm telling you, something's getting ready to happen this month, and you're going to find out this person's being sneaky. Didn't I tell you? I felt like it could be because we're getting ready to go into Mercury retrograde. Even though we're in the shadow period right now, these exes, they knocking their doors, they texting, they coming back, they popping up. And if your person can't control himself or herself, sneaky situation, they getting cut off. For others of you, this could be somebody that you cut off in the past because they were being sneaky. So let's just see. Tell me more, please. Yep. So this is I'm telling you, I'm still seeing it both ways. This could be somebody you cut off in the past that you're no longer talking to, but this could also be you cutting off someone and you're going to stop communicating with them. Look at that. 11, 11, 11. Look, I can't make this up. So this is definitely some type of soulmate or a twin flame situation here, because I'm seeing that somebody wants to balance things out. They want to have a home, a family with you, all of that, but they were just being really, really, really sneaky. See, they were given to someone else. Yes, they want to come back. Look at that. I was about to say, and balance things out. Here's the balance card. But they were given to someone else, whether it's a love interest, friends, family. There was somebody else in the picture, and now they want to make things right with you. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius. See? This started a lot of conflict. There was a lot of conflict between you and this person. And there's a lot of conflict between, you know, them and someone else too. It's a lot of people involved. See? And this is why they're moving slow. Okay. Getting out of a third-party situation. I can't make that up, Cancer. Look at that. There's the devil. Somebody could have been dealing with the Capricorn. Clarify the devil, please. Clarify the devil, please, for Cancer. Why is the devil here? Yeah, this person is afraid to give you the commitment that they deserve, that you deserve. I feel like, yes, they were in some type of, like, you know, toxic situation. I feel like this person definitely had, you know, codependent behaviors as well. And that's why I was picking up on the sneakiness here. So now they're getting out of, you know, staying quiet, you know, not opening up. If they felt stuck in a situation, they're getting out of it because they do want to have this offer with you. But they're back and forth because the way that Queen of Swords just came out, yes, you could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But I feel like this card represents you, Cancer, or Cross Watcher. It's like this person knows you want to talk to them. They know you want to hear from them. You want the truth, right? But they're afraid it could be too little too late. Because now if they come back in, they're afraid that you're going to cut them off for good. You know, and if you decide to talk to them, you're not playing around with them. Y'all ready to cuss them out. Y'all are tired of them. See? You guys are tired. Because they kept putting you in some type of third-party situation where there's, like, family involved. There's definitely a situation here. See, you don't see contentment with this person. You don't see happiness with this person. And this is why, again, they've been moving slow. Maybe they're worried about their money. You know, because the way the Page of Pentacles came out, yeah, they were in some type of codependent situation with, you know, family or someone else. And this is why there was little to no communication. Right now, I do feel like they're focusing on themselves. But, yes, they do want to come back to give you an offer. But, see, they're afraid that you're not going to accept this offer because of what they put you through. You know, they're feeling like you don't want to have a commitment with them anymore. Look at that. And they're sad. This person could be drinking, you know, a lot. Or they're feeling so bad that they just started drinking, but they're sad because they feel like, yes, they have lost you. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but Cancer, y'all are just to the point where y'all are like shutting down. Y'all are tired. You know, you're not wanting, it's like you want to hear from them, but you're tired of opening up. You're tired of saying the same thing over and over and over again, you know, but for some of them, they could have felt like they're taking a financial loss because of a family situation. This could be, you know, their mother, you know, the mother of their child. It's something like that. So, you know, they're upset. And it's like they're trying their best not to look back in the past, but I'm going to be honest with you, they're watching you. Whoever this is resonating with so far, this person is keeping a very close eye on you. I'm seeing that somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But this person, they're going to have the confidence to come towards you because they do want things to improve with you, Cancer. Yep, they learned their lesson. They're wanting to move forward with you. But it's like they're still in their head because they're worried. The fact that they were being a player, the fact that they were running in and out of your life. You know, it's like they're afraid you're not going to accept this offer. And this is why they're isolating themselves. Somebody could be dealing with the Virgo, but I'm seeing that this person definitely wants to start over. They want to build something solid with you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, and they're holding on to hope that they can come back and turn things around. But see, they can't sleep. They're in their head big time. Excuse me, in their head big time. Because they know that they didn't bring stability into the situation. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries, but see, they don't want you to cut them off, Cancer. There's the Tower. Clarify the Tower. Why is the Tower here? There's going to be a big shakeup because I'm seeing that they're taking too long to get out of some type of situation. So the universe is getting ready to step in. And they about to shake some stuff up, okay? Because it's going to force them to remove themselves from a third-party situation. And I'm seeing that they want to come back and work things out with you. But I feel like you guys have just been healing. You've just been, you know, focusing on yourself. But they want to make things right. But see, they kept you waiting. And now they feel like the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow. but they still want to have a new beginning, but they feel like your guard is up. They're undecided about how exactly to fix this, because see, with the Ace of Pentacles, there's your offer. You are going to get an offer from them. But they have to tell you the truth about this situation that they're in, because I'm telling you, somebody, see, the Hierophant tried to jump out. Somebody was in some type of long-term commitment or marriage, and they're trying to get out of it. But whoever they're in a commitment with, a marriage, partnership, whatever it is, this person, yeah, they are trying to go after them, because maybe this is them having to pay them in order to get out. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. But see, they're coming out of being frustrated, because I told you at one point they felt like they lost you. But this person, they're not positive at all. They don't know if they can have you back, if they're going to be able to get you back. So, yes, they want things to improve with you. They want happiness with you, but they know that they left you out in the cold, you know? And this is why they're afraid they're not going to have a new beginning. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio, but they're making plans, Cancer. This person's coming back in because they do want to have a new opportunity with you. But I'm still seeing somebody standing in the way. It's just like, I don't know. Like, I keep picking up this mother energy. I don't know if this is their mom. If they have a child, this is the child's mother. It's like a family member, somebody they look up to like a mom. There is somebody in the way. This could even be the love interest. They're in the way. And this is the problem. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. There's a Leo. So for some of you guys, it could be a Leo. But this person is trying to have the strength, I feel like, to get away from them. But they're sad because they made the wrong decision, you know? Somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But look at that. They made the decision. They are going to free themselves. Whether they're in a commitment, I see them being single. If they were stuck taking care of someone, they're going to get out of that. They're setting up boundaries. See, look at that. What did I just say? Clearing away obstacles, setting up boundaries. They're no longer doing this anymore. They're not happy. But see, there's judgment. They're going to have to make a decision. And right now, they're not moving forward. Cancer, you could be dealing with another Cancer. Tell me more. Yeah, they're having a hard time right now. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But this person is going to come back in. They're going to give you an apology, but right now they're just not confident within themselves just yet, because they're trying to figure out when to do it, how to do it. There's the Empress reverse. I'm telling you, they're feeling like you're not going to give them another chance, and they're scared. This is fear here, because they messed up, and they know you're the person for them. See, they're afraid that you don't want to have a commitment with them. Could be dealing with a Pisces. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. And see, they're having a hard time with this. Y'all see the Hierophant and the High Priestess, right? And I feel like it's just been a lot that's been going on, because whoever I'm talking to right now, this is definitely your person, hands down. And they know they messed up big time. This could be a twin flame reading here. Could be soulmate, but, you know, I'm seeing twin. But regardless, it's like they messed up. They know they messed up. So now it's like they're trying to listen to their intuition, and their intuition is telling them, hey, whatever situation you're in, you're going to have to let that go, because you're getting ready to lose your soulmate, or you're getting ready to lose your twin to somebody else. So see, they got to work hard. They're going to have to work really hard to win you back, because didn't I tell y'all, this is your person. I'm telling y'all, this is your soulmate. This is your twin. Hands down. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Gemini, but it's like this, your angels are trying to bring you together. But your person is like in their head. They're worried. They don't know what to do. They're trying to figure this out, like, because if they don't get moving, it's too late. For some of y'all are like, it's already too late. But yeah, they're trying to figure this out. I will talk to you soon, Cancer. I love you guys. And y'all enjoy y'all week. Bye, Cancer.